Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm so happy you're listening today. Today's episode is about one of the most important skills in English, asking questions clearly. Asking questions is how we get information, start conversations, and learn new things. But sometimes beginners struggle because their questions are unclear, too long, or confusing. Have you ever wanted to ask something but didn't know how to say it simply? Maybe you felt nervous or worried that the other person wouldn't understand you? Don't worry. In this episode, we will learn simple and polite ways to ask questions clearly in English. You'll learn phrases that are easy to use, friendly, and perfect for beginners. Today, we will practice how to ask clear and simple questions using polite words like please and could, asking questions at school, work, or in public, how to respond politely when someone answers, and building confidence when asking questions. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to ask questions so people understand you easily. You don't need long sentences or perfect grammar. You only need clear, polite words. Take a deep breath, relax, and imagine needing information or help. Let's practice asking questions in a way that is easy and polite. Asking questions clearly follows a simple structure. Step 1. Start politely. Use phrases like, excuse me, or I'm sorry to bother you, or can I ask you a question? Step 2. Use simple words. Keep the question short and clear. Where is the bus station? What time does the shop open? How do I do this exercise? Step 3. Add polite words. Adding polite words makes your question friendly. Could you please tell me where the bus station is? Would you mind helping me with this question? Can you please show me the way? Step 4. Use proper intonation. Raise your voice slightly at the end to show it's a question. Where is the library? Could you help me, please? Step 5. Respond politely to answers. Always say thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Example. Excuse me, could you please tell me where the library is? Thank you very much. Using simple words and a polite tone makes your questions easy to understand. Let's practice questions and answers for daily life. General questions. Where is the restroom? It's over there. At school. Could you explain this exercise, please? Sure, I can help you. At work. Can you help me with this report? Yes, of course. In public. Excuse me, what time does the shop close? It closes at 8 p.m. Polite follow-up phrases. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for explaining. If you don't understand, can you repeat that, please? Could you speak slowly? Practicing these Q&A examples will help you ask questions clearly and confidently. Asking clear questions is important in daily interactions. With friends or classmates, can you help me with this homework? What do we need for the project? With teachers or coworkers, could you explain this again, please? When is the deadline for this task? In public places. Excuse me, Where is the nearest bus stop? Can you tell me the price of this item? Polite responses when someone answers, "Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for explaining." Tips for clear questions. Keep your sentence short and simple. Use polite words like please and could. Speak slowly and clearly. Use proper intonation to show it's a question. Clear questions help people understand you easily and make conversations smoother. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to ask questions clearly in English. We practiced polite phrases for school, work, public places, and daily life. And we also learned how to respond politely when someone answers. Remember, asking questions doesn't need long or complicated sentences. Short, clear words are enough to communicate effectively. Here is your practice for today. Say these out loud. "Excuse me, could you help me, please? Where is the library? Can you explain this exercise?" Try using these questions today with friends, classmates, teachers, or even strangers. Practicing daily will help you feel confident and clear when asking questions in English. Thank you for listening to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and enjoy asking questions clearly in English.